as you guys know, in an apartment complex, you really don't have that much space. You're bunched up with a bunch of other people who live in the apartment complex, and you either have to go to a car wash to wash your car or figure out some kind of alternative way. Now, in this apartment complex that I live in, there is a car wash on the other side of the lot, which I'm gonna show you in this video. And it's a single lane that I have to park in, which other cars park next to me on the side as their regular parking space. This one parking space is just for washing your car and vacuuming the car. Now, when I go to wash my car, I have to pay $1.50 just only for 12 minutes. For those of you guys who know how I wash my car, I take longer than 12 minutes to do it. And just on my videos of showing you how I wash my cars after editing them, they're about 6 to 10 minutes long. So that should give you a judgment. Sometimes it takes me 3 hours to wash my car, or 2 hours, or an hour if I'm having a tough day, whatever. But yeah, I gotta pay $1.50 to wash the car for 12 minutes. Then I have to pay 75 cents to vacuum the car for about 5 minutes, and it just doesn't get anything done. So on this video, I'm gonna show you me actually trying it out to see if I can get it done. Let's just see how it goes. And I have another video coming up where I came up with my own alternative way that I can wash my car anytime, any place. So stick with this video and watch it till the end, and then the next video coming out will show you the alternative way that I came up with to wash my own car outside. Let's move on to the video. It's hot as heck out there, guys. Did you all see that? You saw what I had to do to wash my car? It's not fun at all, man. First of all, it's hot, so I wait for the sun to go down, but it's still kind of hot out there. The water pump, well, the water lasted actually more than enough. I just scrubbed it down one time. The only thing is you have to rinse off the brush before using it, because if someone dropped it, that's dirt scratching your paint. We don't want that. So 12 minutes was actually more than enough to wash the car. However, I don't want to keep spending $1.50 to keep washing my car, because those of you who know, I like washing my car maybe once, twice, maybe 3 times in the week, or twice a week. The vacuum part, that's a problem. I gotta buy a vacuum because I'm not spending 75 cents to vacuum for 5 minutes, and the 5 minutes only lasts me to vacuum the driver's side. Alrighty guys, so I hope you enjoyed the episode. That was me washing my car. Actually washing it wasn't that bad. The 12 minutes was good enough. The only thing is you have to rinse off the brush before using it, because other people who used it probably dropped it on the floor. Also, the vacuum part, it was terrible. 5 minutes is not enough time for me to vacuum my driver's seat, to vacuum my car at all, because the driver's seat takes 5 minutes alone for me to wash. I'm always sitting in that seat. For me to vacuum, I mean, I'm always sitting in the seat. But I'll buy my own vacuum, and the next video that's coming out, I have an alternative way on how to wash your vehicle. It's kind of ghetto, but it has to work, and you can do it any place, anywhere you want to. You can throw it in a lake and wash the car. You can throw it in the beach and wash the car, but you might not want to, because that salt water coming in, it might clog the pump that I'm gonna show you. I was going to build something, but I found something better and cheaper, and it's gonna work. So just stay tuned till the episode comes out. I'll see y'all soon. Oh, before I forget, if you are not a subscriber to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and also hit that bell notification at its side to stay up to date with all my latest videos. And if you are a subscriber, thank you all for watching, thank you all for commenting, thank you all for, you know, just staying tuned and sticking through with me. I'm telling you, this channel will get better. It's gonna have a lot of great content, and you guys are going to enjoy it. I'm learning on how to fix diesels, and the channel's just gonna grow with a lot of diesel repair and, you know, the auto repair, the avalanche trucks. I want to get a dually, so you're gonna get some of those dually repairs and whatnot. So just stick with it, and I'll see you all soon.